Okay, we now move to the second component of labor. No, not as a second component, as we have already discussed the first fetal condition, which is your attitude. Now, we go to the next fetal position or condition, which is the engagement. When we speak of engagement, I want you to remember the third Leopold's maneuver. L1, what is in the fundus? L2, where is the fetal back? L3, kinumdum atong L3. Inyong buhaton sa L3 is pollex grip. You move your hand from side to side. If move gani na siya, class, mauna siya ballotment. Is it presumptive, probable, positive? Ballotment. It is probable. Okay? Move. Ballotment. Probable. Unsa man na siya? Is it engaged or not engaged? Not engaged. Mulihok pa gani, class. Wa pa dyan na siya mapasok. Tanawa ha. Kung mao ni siyang pelvis, mao ni siyang ulo. Kung wa pa siya mapasok, malihok pa gitong ulo. Pero kung mapasok na siya, class, malihok pa ba ni mong ulo? Dili na. So sa ato pa, kani, not engaged. Kaya malihok pa. Ballotment pa. Pero kung mapasok na siya, mo-settle na siya into the level of the ischial spine, di na nimo siya malihok. Engaged na siya. Okay? So when you encounter the word engagement, it means to say that the fetal presenting part, so presenting part ha, regardless kung ulo ba na, lubot ba na, shoulder ba na, tiil ba na, regardless, so long as the fetal presenting part has reached enough into the level of your ischial spine, no? Dito sa tunga sa imong pelvis, ug ang imong pelvis lingin, class, kanang nas tunga nga nay hait mao nang ischial spine. So ischial spine is otherwise called as midway in the pelvis. So kung maabot na gani ka midpoint or midway sa imong pelvis, dili na ka malihok. Dili na nimo ma L3. Okay? Di na siya mo lihok inig L3, dili na ka mo ballotment. Pasabot ana, engaged na di ay ka. Layo na di ay ka. Padung na di ay kagawas. Engagement. So ang keyword is engagement, settling sa midpoint sa imong pelvis. Unsa nang nas midpoint sa pelvis? Levels of the ischial spine. Okay? Now, kung primary ka, wala pa gani ka engage, meaning mulihok pa gani ka, it means dili siya musakar. Di siya kasulod. Nganon di man siya kasulod? Cephalopelvic disproportion di ay. Okay? So non-engagement, if you are a primary, may indicate cephalopelvic disproportion. Okay? If you are a multigravid, will non-engagement mean cephalopelvic disproportion? Dili. Kay kung multiparous na ka, nanganak na kagkausa, dili na siya maingon nga cephalopelvic disproportion. Nagausa na gud ka sa una. Di man na mausab ang imong pelvis. Once a gynecoid, always a gynecoid. Once an android, always an android. Let's say, first pregnancy, android ka. Di siyempre si PD ka. Inig next pregnancy, mugawas bang bata? Dili gihapon. Nga naman, android good ka. Once an android, always an android. But let's say gynecoid ka. First pregnancy. Wa ni gawas ang bata kay placenta previa. Next pregnancy. Pwede ba ka manganak by NSVD? Pwede. Kay the indication of cesarean section sa imong first pregnancy, dili man si PD, placenta previa man, nag-ali man ang placenta, nas ubos. Eh? Pero, kung first pregnancy, gynecoid ka, nanganak ka normal. In the second pregnancy, pwede ba mo ingon ang doktor, ay, si PD ka, ma'am. Klaro kay doktor, nang warta. Gustog cesarean, kay mahal. Ha? Once nanganak na ganing ka, class, you can never be a CPD candidate in the subsequent pregnancies. Our rule is imute ang Mike. Ba? Our rule is once a gynecoid, always a gynecoid. Okay? Now, engagement, no? The settling, please check your mics, class. Please check your mics. Class press. Liukog PM. Ug madukol dukla. Okay.
Yes,
First,
sir.
thank you. First engagement, the settling at the level of the ischial spine. Okay, settling at the level of the ischial spine. Engaged. Meaning, dili malihok. Meaning, negative balutment. Next, station. Ang katong midway sa imong pelvis class. So kung mao ni siya imong pelvis. Okay? If this is your pelvis, nasa tunga ana niya class, talinis mo na gitawag nato og ischial spine. So kani siya nga level, if mao ni siyang ulo sa bata, naabot gani ka diri sa tunga, diri sa midway in the pelvis, mao ni tawgon nato og engagement. Okay. The different levels of the ischial spine are called station. So asa man nga station si engagement. The different levels kay kanigong ischial spine class ato na siyang scale into different levels in order to determine the relationship of the presenting part of the fetus to the different levels of the ischial spine. Kung nagani ka diri mismo sa midpoint sa tunga, no, katong talinis, station 0 na tawag ana class. Okay? So pangutanon mo, a fetus is engaged. At which station could he be found? So naa sa station 0. Kay the different levels of the ischial spines are called stations. The settling at station 0 mo na siya engagement. Now, kaning nasa layo, kaning class vagina na ni diri, no? Outlet na ni siya diri, no? Diri na mo gawas ang bata. Now, if layo pa ka sa vagina, these portions here are called negative stations. Kung duol na ka sa vagina, tawgon na nato siya og positive stations. Okay? If the child is at positive 1, positive 2, or positive 3, we call or we interpret the station as well engaged. Okay? If ang presenting part, lubot, ulo, or shoulder, if the presenting part be found at station positive 4, then we call it crowning. Okay? So ani ha? If ang ulo, lubot, or shoulder naa sa station 0, engagement or engaged. If positive 1, 2, or 3, we call it well engaged. If naa ka sa positive 4, meaning ni-bulge na tong ulo sa vagina, mo na gitawag nato og crowning. Now, what if layo pa ang presenting part? Inig-ana nimo, mulihok pa. So positive balutment, meaning wala pa siya mo-engage. So a non-engaged fetal presenting part could either be at stations negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, or negative 4. Layo pa, negative pa. If naa siya sa negative 1, 2, or 3, we call it dipping. Okay? If naa ka sa negative 4, we call it floating. Okay? So the stations are the different landmark, are the different scales made with reference to the midpoint of the pelvis. Or in short, the different levels at the ischial spines are called your stations. If layo pa, negative stations. If duol nas vagina, positive stations. In fact, if positive 4 ka, crowning na ka. Positive 1, 2, 3, well engaged. Station 0, engaged or engagement. Negative 1, 2, 3, you call it dipping. Negative 4, perting layuan, naglutaw-lutaw pa. Floating. Okay? So karon kasabot na tas engagement o sa station. Ang engagement, naabot ka station 0. Ang stations, different levels of the ischial spine. Layo, negative. Dool, positive. Nigawas na hapit, crowning, positive 4. Perting layo, agalutaw-lutaw pa, negative 4, floating. Stations. Okay? Next term. O, kani siya. Sige. The fetal presentation is cephalic. The fetal stations, at which station is the fetal presenting part? Naa ka sa station 0. Okay? Kani siya. Naaman ni siya, di ba pelvis lingin? Okay, lingin. Ang tunga anang lingin class, midpoint of the pelvis is called your ischial spine. If ang ulo naa sa 0, man gitawag nato og engagement or engaged. If ari ka sa positive 1, positive 2 or 3, unsa may tawag ani? Well engaged. If positive 4, crowning. Negative 1, 2, 3, dipping. Negative 4, floating. Ingon na. So kung nana mo sa area, unya mo ingon, uy, asa naman ang bata dapit? Nana siya sa negative 1. Meaning, hapit na siya mo engage, pero wa pa siya mo engage. Kay negative 1 pa man, kanos aman day ka mo engage? Kung nana ka sa station, 0. Okay? So, attitude, engagement, station, dapat kasabot na. We go to the next. Murag na pa yung sample direct. Okay siya. Sige, first illustration. You are at station positive 2. So, unsa may imong interpretation ani? Well, engaged.
Well, okay.
Yes, kay positive 2 man. Kani siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4, unsa may pasabot?
Floating.
Floating kay negative 4. Asa man ang station 0? Dara nasa tunga, no? Lingi ni siya, nasa tunga, midpoint in the pelvis, it's station 0. If kani siyang ulo, naabot siya diri, ana, unsa may inyong interpretation, ana? Meaning?
Dipping.
No, diri man, ang
Engaged.
ulo sa station 0. Diri.
Engaged.
Engage. Okay? Engage or engagement. Okay? So you must be ready, no? Let's say, ang ulo naa sa positive 1. Unsa may inyong tubag sa interpretation? Positive
Well
1.
engaged.
Well engaged. Kung negative 4.
Floating.
Floating.
Okay. Kung 0.
Engaged. Engagement.
Unsa man ni siya? Is it attitude, station, or engagement? When it refers to the different levels in relation to the midpoint of the pelvis. Unsa may tawag ana? Different levels in relation to the midpoint of the pelvis. Is it attitude, station, or engagement? You refer to
Engagement.
the different levels.
Station.
Different
Station.
level in relation to the midpoint of the pelvis. Unsa man na siya? Station, attitude, engagement.
Station.
Kano sa man dito mo yung engage? The settling, ang pag-abot, ang paglingkod, ang pag-settle niya, ang paglingkod niya dito mismo sa 0. Pero katong mga different levels, mo to station, tanawa pag o pag ganit hisgot. Ang station, different levels sa imong ischial spine. Ang settling, hibaw mo kamon sa ng settling. Ang paglingkod, no? Ang pag-abot dito sa imuhang station 0, mao na siya engagement. Mula pas pagay ka 0, maayong pagka-engaged, well engaged. Nga maabot na gani ka positive 4 kana crowning. Okay? So attitude, station, engagement. Okay? Now we go to the next. Kana siya. Asa man siya, be? Anyone? Naa siya sa
Negative 2.
negative 2. So if it's at negative 2, what is your interpretation?
Dipping.
Dipping, ana ra class. Okay? Attitude, station. Next. Attitude, engagement, station. Ikaw-apat class. Fetal eye. Mayroon gani kag fetal eye, it's any of the three. Pwede kag longitudinal, transverse, or oblique. Pwede longitudinal, pwede transverse, pwede oblique. Okay? So when we speak of fetal eye, this refers to the relationship of the long axis of the mother to the long axis of the fetus. Okay? Ang spine sa mama o ang spine sa bata. So kung mao ni siyang mama, ang spine ni mama kani. Ang relationship kuno sa spine or long axis ni mama o ang spine or long axis sa bata, mao na siya fetal eye. So kung long axis ni mama kani, ang long axis sa bata nagingon ana, meaning to say nagbabag. Longitudinal, transverse, oblique. It's transverse. Okay? If it is crossing, no? Transverse, nagbabag. Pero kung pabarugpod ka, kung mao ni siyang mama, okay? Morning spine sa mama, ang bata nimo nag-ana pod. Okay? Unsa man imong fetal eye? The fetal eye is longitudinal. Pero kung mao ni imong mama, okay, morning spine ni mama, ang bata nag-ingon ana. So unsa man siya? Oblique. Okay? So fetal eye is ang relationship kuno sa mga long axis. Ang long axis ni mama ug ang long axis ni baby. Okay? Those are your fetal eye. So what nailibog ang fetal eye? Tulo. O longitudinal, transverse, oblique. Now, unsa man ang mga different presentations, class? If ang imong fetal eye is longitudinal, so pwede kang ulo nag-una. Kay syempre ulo nag-ana man. Okay? Pwede lubot nag-una. O syempre kay nag-ana man. Pabarog gihapon siya. Either ulo or lubot. Ang longitudinal eye. Kung transverse lie, unsa may nag-una? It's the shoulder. Okay? If nagbabaga ni ang bata, nagingon ana gani, ang makita nato class is ang shoulder. Transverse shoulder presentation. Okay? And oblique, depende kung sa imong makita. Okay? Unsay nakita, the degree of its being oblique. Basta kay mingon gani kag presentation, unsay nag-una? What is next to the cervix? That's your fetal presentation. Okay? What if? Unsa may mong fetal presentation? Mao ni siyang uterus, mao ni siyang cervix. Naa diri ang ulo sa bata, kay lubot ni. Okay? Naa diri ang placenta. Okay? Meaning to say, placenta previa siya, class, no? Sige, unsa man ang imong fetal presentation? The fetal presentation is, unsa man be? Anyone? What's
Longitudinal.
Phallic, sir.
cephalic? Ang longitudinal, class, that's your lie. Ayaw ninyong ilibog, ayaw ninyong ibali-bali. Ang lie is kung nagbabagba ka or kung ang akong pangutana is what is the fetal presentation? Unsa man ang presentation? Meaning, the part that presents, presentation good, the part that presents next to the cervix. So kani, kung mao ni siyang cervix, bisan pag nay placenta din ha, ang part sa fetus nga nag-una, ulo man, so cephalic presentation. O pangutanon ta mo, what is the fetal eye? The fetal eye is
Longitude.
longitudinal. What is the attitude if the chin touches the chest?
Complete flexion.
Complete flexion. Sige. What if this is the uterus? Ang bata nimo, mao ni ang ulo, mao ni ang lubot diri. What is the fetal eye?
Longitudinal.
What is the presentation?
Breech.
What is the attitude?
Walay attitude.
Walay
attitude, sir, kay breech
Wala, sir, kay Breachman.
Very good. Kasabot gid ay. We only assess for the degree of flexion or extension, or we only have an attitude if the presentation is cephalic.
Cephalic.
Okay, sige. Klarong di ay makasabot man di ay. Unsay coverage sa akong discussion ron until
Fetal eye.
fetal eye. So nahuman ako until fetal. Ano pa? Say akong gi-chat ninyo, class. Fetal eye ba ko to? Passenger, no? The whole passenger, no? Sakto ba? Second component, passenger.
Yes, sir.
Sige, let's continue. Kanya siya. Fetal eye sa first illustration. What's the fetal eye here? Fetal eye. Longitudinal. This one. Second. Fetal eye.
Longitudinal.
Kani.
Transverse.
First. Kani, attitude sa letter B. Attitude.
Wala, sir.
Wala.
Wala,
Sa letter C. Attitude. Attitude.
Wala, sir.
Wala. Because
Wala.
of the presentation. What is the presentation?
Shoulder, sir.
Shoulder presentation, because because presentation could be cephalic, breech, or shoulder. The fetali here is transverse lie. Therefore, the presenting part is shoulder presentation. Okay? Kanisha, first, letter A. What is the fetali? Fetali.
Longitudinal.
The long axis of the mother to the long axis of the baby pertains to the fetali. What is the presentation?
Cephalic.
Cephalic. Okay. What is the attitude? Tanawa re class. What is the attitude?
Complete flexion.
Okay. Complete flexion because the chin touches
Touches
the
chest.
chest. Okay. Ana ra good na class? Kamao na mo. Pwede na mo mag-OB. Okay. So next, fetal presentation. So again, when we speak of fetal presentation, it's the part that comes next to the cervix. Sabi siya pa, unsay naguna, no? Suhi ba siya or cephalic ba siya, no? When we speak of cephalic, I've already mentioned this to you that there are 5 specific cephalic presentations, diba? Vertex or occiput, sinciput, brow, face, and mentum. There are 5 different types of cephalic presentation. What would be your attitude if the cephalic presentation is sinciput? What's the attitude? Sinciput.
Partial flexion.
Partial flexion. Very good. If brow,
Partial
extension.
partial extension. Very good. How about vertex or occiput?
Complete
Complete
flexion.
How about mentum? Ay,
Complete extension.
complete extension. How about face?
Complete extension.
Extension. What's the ideal attitude?
Complete flexion.
Kanos aman siya mo assume og complete flexion? Pila ka weeks AOG?
If that
36.
36.
36. Okay, describe vertex. If the
chin touches the chest.
chin touches the chest.
very good. Describe sinciput.
In a military position.
Military or alert.
Alert position.
Very easy. Di ba? Pertig yung sayo na. Okay? How about breech? When we say breech class, it's either incomplete, frank, complete, single footling, double footling. 5 pod ha? Incomplete, frank, complete, single footling, double footling. Okay? Unsa man na siya? Kani siya. This is your complete breech. Complete breech because the both the legs are flexed. Incomplete, one is flexed, one is extended. Frank, both are extended. Okay? If one is falling, no? Or one is ahead, single footling. If both is ahead, duha ka tiil, okay? Double footling. Okay? Complete, tapiko ang duha. Frank, extend ang duha. Okay? So kani siya. What is your presentation in this case? Presentation.
Cephalic.
Cephalic. Okay. What is the attitude in this case?
Complete flexion.
Okay, so assuming the chin touches the chest, complete flexion. Okay, what's the specific cephalic presentation? Okay, kani siya class ma'am ni ulo. Naa diri ang occiput, kani siya sinciput, kanin diri. Okay, top of the head, no? Kaning alimpo kanang kung mao ni siyang ulo class ma'am, kanang ulo, kanang diri mao na siya occiput, kani diri dapita mao ni siyang sinciput. Nya agtang na ni brow. Okay? So kani siya. Unsa man ni siya? What's the specific cephalic presentation? It's
Occiput.
occiput or vertex because the chin touches the chest. Fetali. Fetali.
Longitudinal.
Longitudinal. So mao man ni siyang yang pelvis, no? Mao ni yang pelvis kani. This is the pelvis. This is the midpoint of the pelvis. What is your description of the station? How would you interpret the station? Is it engaged or not engaged?
Engage.
Engaged.
Okay, it's well engaged because it is way beyond the midpoint. Okay? Kung mismong midpoint engaged, way beyond the midpoint, well engaged. Pero kung kaning ulo ni gawas ni ana na ni diri siyang bangag, unsa naman na siya?
Crowning.
Okay, crowning na siya. Unyag ang bata, ang ulos bata napadiri dapita. So either floating or dipping.
Dipping.
This may be. Okay? Ana ra gyud na class. Ano siya? Napi. Sige. Why time limit? Na may klase after kuan class? After 10:30? Oh, 9:30?
Sir,
Na, sir.
9:30
Nara, sir.
Unsa man?
late kami, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bioethics.
Ay, na.
Bioethics, sir.
Sige. Okay. Kadiyat class ha.